How to clean microwave.
Hi, I'm Rhea, a caregiver student. Today, I will show you how to clean the microwave.
What do we need? Disinfectant wipes, dishwashing liquid, microfiber cloth, a bowl of warm water, dry towel, vinegar.
First, we need to mix our solution. Mix 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar. Put the wooden spoon in this bowl. Microwave this solution for 5 to 10 minutes.
Microwave the water vinegar solution for 5 to 10 minutes.
Remove the water vinegar solution. Grab the rag and wipe the inside of the microwave. Remove the glass turntable and wash it. You can soak it with warm water and dishwashing liquid. Wash it with hot water. Wipe the inside of the microwave using the antibacterial wipes. Leave the microwave door a little open and let it dry. Return the turntable. And now, I'll show you how to clean the exterior of the microwave. Put lukewarm water in a bowl and add 2 drops of dishwashing liquid. Dip a soft sponge in the cleaning solution and rinse it to ensure that the sponge is not dripping. Now scrub the exterior of the microwave using the damp sponge. Rinse it with soft damp cloth. Now let's do the sterilizing of the baby bottles into the microwave. Let's start with a clean microwave. Fill waters about halfway of the bottle. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Using the microwave mitts, remove the bottle in the microwave. Throw the water. And let the bottle dry through air.